Back here at my favorite spot in Kona. A little bit of a surge. Fishing index said it was going to be terrible today, but it's fishing, so we'll see what happens. Again, pretty good swells. That spot's usually pretty safe, but I did just see a wave come over the top. So gonna get wet today, no doubt. Yeah, first fish, it's a Hagi. You can tell by the way it just runs to the surface of the water. I'm like, no, don't catch me. I'm like, yeah, bro, I'm gonna catch you. Everything today is catch and release, except for if I can get a Roy or maybe a To'au, Ta'ape. Anything invasive gets taken out. Shoot, Hagi. That look what we got here, bro. We got a Hinalea. Please don't swallow the hook, dude. You swallowed the hook. Oh, brah. All right, swallow the hook. So that means one thing: bait, live bait. Hopefully, you can get a Roy with this guy, because even if I dig in to try to get the hook out, it's gonna kill him. If I cut the hook off, it gives him a slightly better chance, even though it's a barbless hook. It's still in his throat. It's not even further down. Oh look, something whacked him too. Look at that. I hope my lens is clean. I'm gonna take this over here. I felt another harder whack, so there's a Roy down there, boys and girls, and I aim to catch him. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Yes! Fuck yes, Roy! Excuse my language. Yay! God, I love these guys. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you're not gonna bother this reef again, brah. So pretty though. They're a pretty fish. Who's a pretty fish? Except for his damn mouth. Look at that thing. Freaking dinosaur. Rawr. Rawr. Stinks too. This guy stinks. Stoked. I'll spare you the details. YouTube. I'm gonna stick this guy in the head with a knife. You guys have seen, what is it, Fantasia with Mickey Mouse? Where the waves are crashing up on one side or crashing up on the other. That's how I feel right now. I feel like I'm Mickey Mouse. Just need the classical music. See what happens. This hasn't changed much, so some of the people I know and love are gonna see this and they're gonna say, what the hell were you doing out there that day? And I'm gonna say, I don't know. I'm gonna say I should have waited, but fishing's in my blood and I love it. I'm pretty careful. This little spot right here gets wet, but usually doesn't get overrun. So what's happened already today a couple times has been an outlier. So, you know, I'll just keep watching. Oh shit, big wave. Oh, Brian had been dead. That was close. I don't even know how dirty my lens is. It's been so damn crashy and wavy and all that stuff. So, just gonna let it roll. Fish on. What should I say? Where are you, Hagi? Coming to the surface? You feel like a Hagi? You smell like a Hagi? Bite like a Hagi? Ride the wave in, brah. Hagi, Hagi, Hagi. I see you. It is a Hagi, but it's pigtail Hagi. Yeah, let's go back over here, dude. Oh, did you poop? Did you poop? Hagis poop. Everybody poops. Pretty pigtail. Pretty pigtail. Yes, you are. All right, Hagi. Thanks, bro. Shoots. Oh, I should have waited for the next wave. So just doing a slow retrieve. And missed that. Oh no, got him. I got him in spite of myself. So I missed him, but he's like, no, catch me, I'm a Hagi. I think it's a Hagi. It's not on the surface yet. So that's my only hope, and then it's not a Hagi. Ah, it's a Hagi. Shocker! Yeah, I'm waiting for a wave. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Ready to catch one last fish and go. Ooh. So I might as well do it on this cast. I have it. I'm on, I think. Smallest Hagi ever. Oh, might not be a Hagi. Might not be a Hagi as well. It's not, it's a goat fish! Yes! Sweet! Oh, bro, thank you so much. I almost yanked it out of your head. Thank you so much for being my last fish of the day.